Hello and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through how to add customers to weekly billing. First thing we'll do is click settings, and we see here we have activate billing per week for specific customers. We'll toggle that on, we get a successful message and click OK. So now let's go to our run billing page and take a look at how this changes. We see we have a new line here for the month for weekly calculations. So if we click August, it's going to calculate the weeks in August to charge this customer. So let's take a look at the customer settings and how we would change them to a weekly customer or add them as a weekly customer when we're creating them. So let's click to our settings, and this customer is currently per stop. So what we're going to do is change them from per stop to bill per week, and then we want to put our per week price down here. So maybe we charge $50 per week. And right here, you probably want to change this description to whatever you need it to be. And from there, we'll go ahead and save these changes. So this customer has been updated in our system. Now let's take a look at adding a new customer. If we click Add Customer, we'll scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to add this customer to our billing by toggling this button on. And we can select all of our options, and we can select our item, our description, we can add in a code, and we can select this customer for weekly billing. So here you want to make sure that your description and your price do match what you need to charge for weekly, and then you'd add that customer to billing and you'd be good to go. And this looks the same way on importing customers. It's just going to be off to the side and you toggle on the same options. So that's what you're going to see for weekly billing. There's also one more spot where you can take a look at who's on weekly billing in this customer list. We see here we have an auto billing column. In the auto billing column, we can see that this customer is per week that we just changed. We can also see like our inactive customers, our chemical charges, our primary, secondary, email, print bill, lots of cool things like that. So this is a great way to check through customers quickly. You can search customers, you can export this list if you need to take a look at where customers are at on your billing to make sure you're staying organized. So if you have any further questions about weekly billing, please let us know. We'd be happy to help, and we hope this helps. Okay, thank you.